So as you're doing SP4H right here, super excited to bring a brand new video on what I'm looking at for on BTC US dollar. So as we all know that BTC US is a broke structure here on the monthly time frame, right? BTC broke structure here to the downside, giving us a break of structure. And on the other hand, we have market tapping this OCL, moving back up. So now then we'll jump to the weekly time frame to see what we are looking at for, right? Then what am I seeing here now? I see market tapped this resistance level. We have this break of structure here, right? To the downside. Then that is the inducement. Market swept it, tapped into this level before start dropping. Then if you look closely, people that caught this buy on the weekly time frame, market gave a bullish engulfing, so market engulf it and sweep this liquidity right above here, right? So now what am I looking at to do in the market? That's the first thing I ask myself, right? So since I came in, I see this break of structure and I can see that this weekly level is mitigated now and it has started dropping. Let me go to the daily time frame. Then on the daily time frame, what am I seeing? I'm seeing something like a QM level, right? This is a QM right now. This QM market tabs are QM. Where is my next drawn liquidity? We have plenty of liquidity here now, so let me mark the key levels I have here now. This one is unmitigated. We have this other block that's unmitigated, but if you mark it from this region here now, from the week, it is mitigated. So this one is far from my liquidity, so I'm not looking out for that origin. Then we have this valid order block here also, right? So these are the two things I've seen. We have the QM, we have the order block. Then which one are we gonna pick? They say pick the one closest to inducement. This is the one closest, the QM is the one closest to inducement, right? So now, and if you look closely, we have this sweep above here now. Yesterday then close inside this range, telling us that we are to clear this CR low. This is a CR low. I don't know if you understand our concept of CRT. This is CR low, so I've gotten my range right. Let's go to the 4 hours time frame. We're doing a top-down analysis so we understand what is happening in the market and how the flow is coming. So now then refining this one, I would take it to saying this 4 hours breaker block, right? Then these are the liquidity above it. It swept liquidity, right? So now the next thing I'm looking out for a break or a market structure shift on any lower time frame like the 1 hour or the 30 minutes. Get a focus. So now like the 1 hour or the 30 minutes, but this is the next candle range low I will be taking profit from off of. So the next thing is to go to my 1 hour time frame. So now getting to the 1 hour time frame, gotten what I wanted. This one has started this thing. Okay, I've gotten what I wanted to see, right? The market structure shifts, which is a market structure shift. Everything is just intact. Then market has to pull back 50% to confirm that this is liquidity. This one is a valid inducement. Then we are going to be picking entry inside our 50% range, right? It's okay now. Leave. This is my inducement, right? So now entries are gonna be above this side. Now wherever I'm looking for entries are gonna be around this side. Sure, you get above here. So I'll go to the 30 minutes time frame to see if I can pick an order block there, right? I cannot see an order block, but I can see a resistance level here. I can see a resistance level there. That's number one POY I can see there. Then coming to the 15 minutes time frame, so it's just aligned. I'll just have to use this one. Then check the 5 minutes time frame if there's still anything better than that. So we'll be using that side as our POI. That's our entry point, right? Everything is complete on this setup. The last candle swept, gave a sweep, giving us a valid order block, right? There was an FVG here. Sure, you guys see. there was an FVG. Everything is complete on this trade. There's an FVG. It broke. It shifted structure. It engineered liquidity that's giving us inducement here, right? Then where is my target? The previous day low. Share graph. That's the low is where I'm targeting. Then where is our TP1? This is gonna be our TP1. Take profit level 1. So this is what I'm analyzing. I'll be dropping this on my YouTube page. So let me take out all these ones now. So here is gonna be my entry. My entry is gonna be here. Then my stop loss is gonna be slightly above it. This is my first profit, which is 1 to 3, close to 1 to 4, 3.5. Then my full take profit is 1 to 8. So peace out, guys. This is what I'm looking out for on BTC US dollar.